Planning your dream trip to Bali? Before packing your bags, let's make sure you get your Indonesia visa hassle-free. Here's a quick guide. First, check if you need a visa. Many countries can enter Indonesia visa-free for up to 30 days. If you need a visa, you can apply for a visa on arrival, VOA, or an e-visa online before your trip. For a visa on arrival, you can get it at the airport in Bali. It costs around $35 USD and is valid for 30 days. If you prefer an e-visa, visit the official Indonesia immigration website. Fill out your details, upload a passport copy, and pay the fee online. Make sure you have a valid passport at least 6 months from arrival, return or onward flight tickets, proof of accommodation in Bali, visa fee payment proof for e-visa. At the airport, show your passport and visa, or get your VOA. Once approved, you're ready to enjoy the beautiful beaches, temples, and culture of Bali. That's it. Your Bali adventure is ready. For more step-by-step visa guides, subscribe to our channel and travel with confidence.